Chicken fried portobello mushroom steaks. That's way too many metaphors for one meal. Not quite vegan because of the eggs, but it is plant-based. Let's cook. So, it all starts with portobello mushroom caps. The larger the better. I washed and dried them well and cut them in half. I'm going to dip them in egg and then bread them. Crack an egg into a dish, beat it well. These are already seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm going to add some steak spice to get that steak flavor. Dip the mushrooms into the egg. And roll in breadcrumbs. And then sprinkle in some more steak spice for extra flavor. Now, slice up an onion. Here I want the extra sweet flavor of a red onion. And start that frying. A bit of oil into the pan. And add the onion. And fry for about a minute. I want a few more veggies. Slice up a medium-sized zucchini. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And add the zucchini to the pan. and fresh asparagus. I'm going to just use the tender tip half. And add the asparagus to the pan. And then let the veggies fry for a couple of minutes. Make some room in the pan. Add a bit more oil. And place the breaded mushroom caps into the empty space. Fry for about 3 minutes aside. Flip them over. And stir the other veggies a bit at the same time. Give them another 2 or 3 minutes. Check that they're done. Serve. The steak spice is already salty, but add a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy! That was really tasty and indeed really plant-based. So good. Ingredients: 2 portobello mushroom caps, 1 egg, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, cooking oil, 4 ounces asparagus, 1 zucchini, 1 red onion, 2 tablespoons steak spice, salt, and pepper to taste.